Advanced Clinicals, Tea Tree Oil, Detoxifying Hair Mask, 12 ounces, 340 grams. Product Overview Description. Deep Recovery and Restoration. Deep conditioning for soft, silky, more manageable hair and healthy scalp. Intense hydration rescues even the most dehydrated scalp and color-treated hair. Plus tea tree oil, coconut oil, vitamin B5 for dry hair and scalp. DEA-Free, Paraben-Free, Sulfate-Free, no animal testing. Formaldehyde-free scalp health. Tea tree oil moisture, coconut oil strength, vitamin B5. Suggested use. Apply generously to clean, damp hair and massage through roots to ends. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Other ingredients: water, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, behentrimonium chloride, isopropyl myristate, cocos nucifera, coconut oil, hydroxyethylcellulose, melaleuca alternifolia, tea tree, leaf water, melaleuca alternifolia, tea tree, leaf oil, butyrospermum, parkii, shea, butter, panthenol, tocopheryl acetate, bambusa vulgaris leaf, stem extract, chondrus crispus extract, equisetum arvense extract, chenopodium quinoa seed extract, hypnea muciformis extract, silicone quaternium 3, trisate 12, phenoxyethanol, tetrazodium glutamate diacetate, caprolaglycol, ethylxylglycerin, citric acid, fragrance, hexylene glycol, citronellol, limonene, geraniol, linalool, sodium hydroxide, blue 1, yellow 5. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. If product enters eyes, flush with water. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a physician. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.